Science, commerce or arts? Which stream are you going to choose after 10th? Hello everybody, welcome to Aximo Careers. In this video, I'm going to guide you about which stream you can choose after 10th or which stream is going to best fit you after 10th. Science, commerce or arts? Let's begin the video. Class 10th results are out and now the biggest question is science, commerce or arts? Students are confused, parents are stressed, and sometimes decisions are made in a hurry. But today, I will simplify this for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to choose the right stream for yourself after 10th. Do you know the biggest mistake most students make? They choose a stream because their friends did, or because the parents told them, or because they heard science means respect, commerce means money, and arts means nothing. But that's not true. Let's break this myth one by one. First, science stream. If you're curious about how the world works, if you love problem solving, or want to become a doctor, engineer, researcher, scientist, or even enter new fields like AI and data science, then science is for you. Advantages of taking science. Opens maximum career doors like medical, engineering, pure sciences, research, even shifting later to commerce or arts is possible. Disadvantages. There is heavy workload, tough competition and lots of study pressure. So choose science only if you enjoy studying physics, chemistry, maths and biology, not because your cousin said it's prestigious. Commerce stream. Commerce is for students who are curious about money, business, economy and management. You can become a CA, CS, MBA, economist, digital marketer, entrepreneur, and the list is huge. Advantages. Direct pathway into business and finance. You learn money skills early. Disadvantages. Maths and accounts can be tricky if you don't like numbers. But if you are fascinated by startups, finance, or want to join corporate jobs, commerce can be your perfect stream. Third, arts or humanities. Arts is often misunderstood. People say arts लेने का मतलब backup option है. But today, arts is one of the fastest growing streams. From psychology, law, journalism, design, international relations to civil services, arts gives you opportunities to make a real impact. Advantages. Huge variety of career options and scope for creativity. Disadvantages. You need clarity about what you're going to pursue after 12th. Otherwise, it feels confusing. So if you are creative, curious about society, passionate about communication, design, law, or even UPSC, arts can be a game changer. Now I'm going to give you a 3-step framework. And using this framework, you can find out which stream is going to best fit you. First is interest. What subjects do you genuinely enjoy studying? Second, aptitude. What subjects are you naturally good at? And third is future. Which careers excite you when you imagine your future? So you have to find out these 3 parameters about yourself. Interest, aptitude and future. There are other number of options also, other number of parameters also that you need to find about yourself, like your personality analysis, your learning style, your passion, what skills do you have, what skills do you lack. So there are lots of other parameters that need to be analyzed along with these 3 parameters. And if you are not able to find out these parameters about yourself, if you cannot analyze yourself, then just comment below and I will share a link with you. It's a career test that Aximo Careers takes, and this test analyzes 25 parameters about yourselves. From your personality, your learning style, your passion, your subject interest, your skills, there are 25 total parameters that are analyzed about a student. A report is generated and with the help of that report and the 25 parameters that are analyzed about yourself, You can find out the best stream for yourself, the best suited stream, the best stream that matches you, your personality, your likes and dislikes, your interest, your skills. So if you are not able to analyze yourself, so please comment below and I'll help you take a career test through Aximo Careers. Okay, so remember, there is no best stream. The best stream is the one that matches you, that suits you. So science, commerce or arts, which stream are you thinking about? Tell me in the comments and I will reply you personally to guide you further. Don't take this decision under pressure. This is the first big step in building your career, right? And if you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Aximo Careers, because I will be making more videos to guide you every week. See you in the next video and remember, your career is your choice. Aximo Careers, helping you build clarity, confidence and a future you love. Signing off. Bye-bye. So, Aximo Careers has started a career club. Through this career club, every week we are taking sessions for students, and these sessions will be on career planning, career guidance. There will be expert sessions also, like field experts like a successful engineer or a successful doctor or an architect or a dentist, or a fashion designer. So we are going to call people who have, reached a certain heights in their life, who are successful. We are going to call these people and we are going to discuss with them about how they have built a career like this and how they have built big successful careers, so that all students can learn from them. Then there will be motivational talks also. Then we will be guiding you on how to build unshakable confidence in yourself, how to bring mindset transformation, how to do goal setting, how to embrace failure and struggle, how to do problem solving. So all these sessions will also be taken weekly. There will be sessions on learning skills, and there are a lot more other things that are going to be conducted every week through this Aximo Career Club. So those who want to join this Aximo Career Club, so comment below club and I'll share the link with you, the joining link with you. Also important is there is no joining fee or membership fee for this Aximo Career Club. It's completely free. All the weekly sessions are also completely free. We aim in guiding and helping, supporting students in their career journey ahead. So please take advantage of this career club and be a member of this club. Bye-bye.